Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a small video of how to put this on my Opel Astra K. So right now it looks like this. First you have to open all the screws, just like this. So this exhaust tip, first open them all. I think you have to hold them open, otherwise it will just go inside and it won't fit. So it's not that hard at all. Just have to align this. There you go. I think it's up to you how far inside you want it to be. So I'm gonna leave it right here. So this is how it looks underneath of the car. So if you can see the exhaust, it goes like this. It goes down. So you need a like this one. Okay, I think this is perfect. What you're gonna need is just this one is number 10. Okay. Ja. Ja, det är gott. So just be sure to tighten a lot, because otherwise it might fall off while driving. So I'm just tightening it. Steady. There we go. Let me see how it looks. It's not that bad. I might open it up and put it in more inside, I think, later on. But so far so good. There you go.